Yagoy, welcome Partuan Allen and showing him Jelgun Fortunate by Temeron Tabaret and Marshall East TV. Melabar Monana by Temeron Barco by Pendron, Ngani Taiban, Kap Tami Laiwis, Camarone Josie showing Kobala Pen Kim Lewis, Ewajan Southwest Junior High, principal on an 8th grade role, Southwest Junior High. So it really is a privilege for us to have you, Kim Lewis, with us this morning to talk about. I know there are lots of information and good things that are going on at Southwest. So
yes,
we're very happy to have you. It really is a pleasure to have you, and thank you for willing to do this in such a short notice.
No, well, thank you for having me. It is, an honor for me to be here. So thank you.
Yes, we wanted, I've worked at Southwest for, I want to say 2 or 3 years.
That's right.
So I had gotten to know her really well, and I know she has a lot of impact also on the Marshall East student. Rijuguro Nejirilo Southwest, Ralaber Barebaga Karainim, Kanan, Monono in Perilo, Ijinet Periano, Emelegan Kajam Par Chabrot, Kain Medina, which watches it on Mane. So I'm gonna ask her if she can share some of the what's going on at Southwest with our students, and I know they also have another Marshall East liaison that works there.
Yes,
so,
that's correct.
Yes.
We have Mrs. Randy Retalk, who is our Marshall East liaison in our school, and she is there every day, all day long, from 8 to 4 o'clock. She can help the Marshall East community with anything that is needed as far as our school information at Southwest Junior High. She is a plus with making home visit phone calls and directly talking to parents and our students, and she has been so beneficial also with working with our nurse and trying to get correct information, medical information to our students and to parents. So she has been extremely helpful, and I want to encourage parents that if they have any questions, not only do they don't have to stop by in person to see Miss Retalk, they can call, and our secretaries will transfer that call to Mrs. Retalk.
Mm-hmm. So thank you, Kim, for sharing that also. Maneo in gala war rumaja recer balilo chugul gay nigay. Ebiro rolo gad peran merong tabarerum ngayapay kwetami kwetbar perilo royan chugul gay in middle school and junior high gay ni ejbar rain eitan anot bar charbal gay nam jangot ben gay me nanti kamani. So that's really good. That really is a plus, because I know for Marshall East parents, if they know that there is a Marshall East at a certain school, they don't have that fear to go and talk to teachers and principals, because they know that there's someone that maybe will be able to help them with interpreting or...
Exactly.
Yes.
And she also, we've known she's helped parents and students with community resources that are available. But I'd also like to take this time to share with the Marshall East community the great things that are going on with our Marshall East students. We have really great things. Academics, we're seeing more and more of our Marshall East students taking advanced classes, and they are getting ready to take preparations to get ready for college. So within the community, it's not, can I? It's like, I'm going to, and show me how to get to college. So we have, every year we see growth in our advanced classes, and we're very proud of them. That's important to them. Another thing that I see positive going on, more and more of our Marshall East students are getting involved with sports and also with clubs and other community service that are out there. If I would love and to encourage a community to come to our volleyball, basketball, football, and track meets, you will see our Marshall East students outperforming, and it does a lot of joy for my heart to see parents there, and they are in the booster club, they're supporting, their families are there, and they're role models, and we can say, look at what's going on, we're proud. In addition to, we have a Pacific Islander club that meets once a month, and they gather together with an English teacher, Mr. Balmer and Miss Retalk, and they have parties, they have different functions that they do, and they work closely hand in hand with the high school and with the Marshall East community. So I'm proud to say we have a beautiful bunch of students who are proud to say we are Marshall East and we're Southwest Junior High.
And we're really glad to and happy to hear all the good news, because I know when we first moved over here, this is what, 16, 17 years ago, there weren't that many Marshallies in this area. And now that, today we see a lot of students that are really involved with school and matan men ko chelun proud manana gagi no chedrmaja rainin way elang chejelo erregala no dan pa ilo chugulane or club and islander club ki rajparin bobulo elang kain activity kreda gaina erum klajiga me advance klajiga me rajpar perie rajun kalikar an emmal gana jiri rein jiru perilo chugulum pokona erum elang wa wen ko rajin bobu penbar community inum tami orge bar chabrot kona bacheri gichen ta ome karainar kwalagi
ai ilungun menanin barshare jet menale wome emang rong jagi loan principal in marong ledok idea gin nganar marong chere ngan parent reini gichen wai winan emman communication ikatan chugul ka parent kenege echep kenege Rujure no da ever worchon Marshallese liaison o cherwalilo chugulin nganan marong tabar all of Rome parent Rome rechem marong konono kajin belle eme elun emal kan kemeli ba elun labalok tabar ilawar berijin enochon community labalok tabar kenega rujuro ki marong yido ki kan chon eno manana in bar one malok jen ijo rebedi ngan college ngan chulo iling lo chulen gil
ai delapan manu juga ince jarong chen Kim Lewis me ejito jen sabro junior I melbar monona way manu juga. These are really great news that we're hearing.
Oh,
from you.
yes,
So,
yes.
I know that's part of the reason why we wanted you to be on the show. Is those are the kind of news that if parents did not know, at least we know we have this show that they can always,
I agree.
look at or watch and see what's going on with their children at school.
And I think this is wonderful because I know we need an outreach program, and parents are calling us on, various things that I would like to share with the parents or guardians of our children. Some common questions we get from parents are, how many days can my students miss before they fail a subject? And that's a concern with all of our parents and students, because in 8th grade that's when absences really count to be promoted and to receive a credit for the next grade. So we let them know that the students cannot miss more than 8 days per semester to receive a credit for that class. And also the things are, I want to ensure parents that whenever they move or they get a new phone number, it's very important that we receive that new information. And various times our students will get sick and we have a phone number and it's not working and we cannot get a hold of a parent or someone in the family to let them know their child is sick, or we have important literature we need to send out. I do want parents to know that because we do have a Marshallese liaisons person, Mrs. Retalk, everything is able to be translated. So any literature we send out and even phone calls to parents, we can do it in Marshallese as well. I don't want them to fear coming and asking, because we're more than glad to help our parents and our community, and that it's very important for the students to be there every day and to be on time at our school. And I also want to mention opportunities we have for your children. We have before and after school tutoring. Before tutoring is every day in math, and after school is math in any subject. For after school, we have free bus transportation that will take your child home to the nearest elementary school. And on Saturdays, we have Saturday school every Saturday from 8 to 11 for your child to get help in any subject that they need, but primarily concentrating in math and English. And we also have free bus transportation to take them to school and away from school.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Lewis. We're running out of time for our first segment, but there's more information that she's going to share when we come back, so don't go away. Pero di jane ba jane barrolto.
Mama am babaro awlem kanana bayne jolo jorenen walo ngana yuri roni yiri lo jugo lo yene go rajiri mugi yewi wawi na marong tabar gej wuni yoyin poy ren marong tabar gej lo yon rodo gej elanga yemu jama magut ngana war jonium ya war woram nam pakai hak elanga ya war wor melele go ro ta gajen melele go lo registration card e ye nam kamman go ta kiya krudok jugo lo yene magatada wawinin e jangan ka jabaro kay nam mano ana yiri roni yir kana kay kim kanan poy nam man jabaro ngana yiri
Jabarraldongan segmenin kain karo mela bar manana boy et perod Kim Lewis bar peranganan bar ceri chat bar melelego ngan igitien chugulin met principal ngane majori rein jirjang air per janam iganano kanono kan pokona lo tago egar ceri mela bane man melelege nanot kain gayuan egar kanono ngan kejigana orgin communication igatan chinen imcemen rejugul gap Chugul mar I wujin melele kan attendance policy ga no da ngai chuana jiri ene miji rally the kaptanan chago e voy a net perilo chuan jago me chabayman mji rajang peran no dan bayam man por call ngai or chen jina da rajam talwon pa call chugul pa ngani boy ren marongin update information ga inaer jadi berkamolo le boy iloan menti perjana merong barugoti pamphlet da chabare ot pogom no dam chabare ot melele gore dalangan peran ebroan merong tabar peran rain parainot yor barchuan after school tutoring right par during this thing you also have tutoring.
That's
right?
correct, that is.
Elabad lukun manana bar program gain merong barchi bangajiri rain Nejiri me or bar yalangan air. Rajbal lelo yalang raberangan tururin kaina lugin chugul. Mane oyin kanaga eber yalan cibangan ajiri rain nejiri me mane ngai cech kor to jani yen gain. Katala borran marun pello tururin jajan gainum. Melele gain me alaberam nganim cech ronga jagi jan karaini me arkwalak. Ini berkatalangan wan malah odom par cere cabrod melele gore very pen. So I'm going to turn it over to her again if she's got more
Sure.
information that she would like to share.
Yes, that's correct. I also want to let parents know that we have a program that's called Upward Bound, and it is a program for our 9th graders who are going into high school, and they have summer activities to do, but they work with them continuously through high school. It is a program for students who are either of another ethnicity, or if they are a first-time person in their family, first generation to go to college. It is all about getting that child and your student ready for college. They have, like I said, different classes for them. They have summer programs. They are set up with different college people and representatives to get that your child and our students ready for college. And it's a selected type of interview. We have them fill out a form, and it's a very small amount, but we really like to get more of our Marshall Lee students involved with our Upward Bound program, because we have found that those who are involved, they really do go to college. Another thing, I know that NWAC, Northwest Arkansas Community College, has been a strong supporter with our Marshall East community and students. Want to encourage students and parents to look into that. And I have a special announcement on next Tuesday, on the 28th. We have a very important parent-student meeting for 8th graders who will be 9th graders next year. It's all about our classes and what's offered and credits, because 9th grade counts for them to graduate. That's the first year in graduation. But I want to encourage parents to come to our school. We want you in our school. I want to encourage you to keep the culture, the Marshallese culture, every day in the home so we can have it in our schools. We love the Marshallese culture and we want to know more about it. If you want to volunteer or just to be with us and share with our teachers, we welcome you and we encourage you to come to us, and with open arms, we welcome you.
Thank you, Kim. That's a lot of information that we feel that real parents need to be aware of. Ano dan pa ayo ever program right ba Upward Bound, and I know some of the Marshallese here might be familiar with, because Tommy worked at the education department back home too, so they had that Upward Bound program. Not anymore, but we used to have it, right? Tommy? Yeah, and so rajang peran ranay borrena tan eno programin nga najiri ranay me ngay chain gar worchuan lo family ngay me jadangan kala jogo kaman bo in January janewanin ene kain kajwan elaban man programin bo jabar affiliate di pen college ngay me Northwest Arkansas Community College elaber balukun sa poda ajiri rain nejirim rajang er borren ko bala kay lagi na school continue education nga na ripen college in med pero de lo Arkansas in matan bar melele go me egar bar sharing and kan auragin an ajiri rain waj nejir kada yerum pigot kilen ngani lijum chakala jawar jala kata bare wairin relmun kana cibang ajiri rain nejir jangam elabar kamolo lo tilo chuguli ne lang kain activity magadgedgein me jajala gaine jubunci bangkai ngay bar war menen imisi tami jan melele go galdi to goi ngokonan barka ko baba
nga kumol anida meno manin kanan principal in nukun pa all pro welcome all bien monan jibang kumut ngayor kacito ko me kumutya melele ka joji midongan chugule we lunglaman manan open ngan kejuj kacuju remaja ngan ardo bojen pag melele ka blela melele gichen manet ka rujugure ne agi ne worchuno da kacito gipen ngai maron mam kacito.
Before you ask you that question, I left it out of melele go mi gartier rongo rally the grant the 28th, right? You
Yes,
have the parent,
that's correct.
Parent and they have a parent meeting. Kwela ko na ngan rijugur chinem jaman rijugur roka Stabian Southwest Junior IM. What time is the meeting?
It's at 6 o'clock.
Chijino awa chodam rajang olep chinem jaman ajri barren ko bala ko ro rally the gran matan kwela ko in bokon pagchat melele ko rane jaman. Jajala karane chibang memman ngan komine lelangan Tammy's gonna he has one question for us.
Yes, before I ask the question, I will also make the announcement for Lakeside,
Yes.
and then I can
Okay.
ask your question. And on about Lakeside, the chalo go ta jan chugule judo jane baroran parent teacher conference ilo January rongorali the gran. Joji madalongan Lakeside pagkajujan lale tago ramman kap tago rammal long ngan rujuguro Niger ilawar kuwai benron ngan tugot idijum chakala jawan rujuguro Niger. I was just concerned about the program Upward Bound.
Yes.
Do they need to make certain grades or what grade do they?
Okay, well, those who are eligible are our ninth graders, our current ninth graders, and we are taking applications right now. Our counselors have sent out emails, and our teachers are telling our students who will be first-time generation college students in their family to see the counselors, and I know the other junior highs offer this as well, and the high schools offer it, and they need to go to their counselor in ninth grade because they're starting towards going to college and getting their credits, so they can interview and see if they can be accepted in this. Really, it's an honorable program that's offered for them.
Do they need to be in like certain?
Have a
what?
certain grade point average.
Grade
No,
point
no,
average
no.
or-
It is not a certain grade point average. They just have to be of a diverse population or a first-time generation going to college in their family. The interview in the form that's filled out is to show how serious they are about going to college and their desire to go to college.
Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.
Elgan ronya ka milalain ko jala way. Lukun meno aur gilo ay rapply ngan pelu program ina na Upward Bound. Ga ray wi lukun stadium kali karilo application ina air takat ta bergo ay remet ga ji dog limo year mita mek men go rane jilugun la bay royi ak pawni lo net process ini kay eu chongana ligun siri jam kanan one man la ko kan ilo air tugot chala la ko jam ela bar lukun kamolo li roja gan yeni, and I want to thank you for taking the time to come and share all that information that I feel the parents are going to be happy that they, someone came and shared it with them. Jajalaga unina lukun bar karaini to chenchugulen jajalaga chadian ge ben tabar peronro. Aga komala per aloji choin komeron pagelang elang la melelego. Emela bar kamolo le boy Springdale School District Communications Department ni maron ledo chirigian ngan kejer rumajal rome che maron le na bajala information ko chenchugul pa chen maron rong jagay. And my bar to nge chogo by Penron. I want to thank you, Tommy, also for being part of the show today. And kajaram mana ole promera raloji choin.